Hi guys, I'm going to make a short video in order to share with you 3 tips that I believe will be very useful if you want to have an efficient class. The first one is to increase the voice speed by 1.25 or 1.5. These tips have been given by a friend of mine, James. He gave me this class 6 months ago, and since I started using it, I have seen a major difference in terms of the time that I was using to complete a class and to understand concepts. Except if your English is medium and you need to enhance your English level. Otherwise, I strongly recommend you to right now change the voice speed from 1 to 1.25, or if you feel very comfortable, 1.5. The second tip is to use the Jupyter notebook associated to each application. You will see that at the end of each Python application, under the video, you will have a resource tab on which you will be able to download the file. That's going to be a zip file that you will need to unzip, and once the file going to be unzipped, you will have a Jupyter notebook associated. That will make you gain time and avoid to retype the entire code. Otherwise, if you really feel comfortable to do it step by step with the class, you can just type the code step by step. Otherwise, a solution can be to download the Jupyter notebook that will make you gain time. And last point is to ask questions. If you stuck in this step or something is not working for you, just feel free to reach me out and I will answer you as soon as possible. Second point is you can connect with me on LinkedIn, for instance, if you need advice, if you want to know more about this point, if you're looking for a career change or whatever, just feel free to reach me on LinkedIn. I will be happy to discuss with you and we will be able to check out if you have any issue together. Okay guys, let's get started with this class. I'm impatient to share it with you.